Hey Alexander, I'm done trading for the day, so I want to share my trades with you from today. The first trade I took on a 5 minute value zone. It wasn't the first touch, which was here. I hadn't gotten up yet. Usually the first touch is the best touch, but I got it the second one and the third one. So my first trade was right here. It just went up a little ways and it got stopped by the 20 and by the 8 EMAs, 5 minute EMAs, and reversed. So I got out basically break even for 11 bucks. It came back down again and I figured I'd try it again. Um, I got in here. It actually went up a full 1R and I was hoping for more, but I should have just taken the 1R off the table when I had it because it came back and I got out for a little less than 1R, $112. Okay. I saw it come down again, but I didn't really trust it because by now this is the fourth time that it's hit. So I wasn't really going to play it. It did come down to the bottom of the zone and it bounced really nicely. That's the way it goes. So at that point, I started looking at gold, and gold had made a big push down earlier in the morning and bottomed off about 1971. It bounced hard, came up here, put in a very nice pullback here. One of the things I noticed was that this fractal right here, this swing low, created a really nice support level for this pullback, this initial push up, and a pullback to that support level and the 8. So it's a combination support level. So I noticed that later, but I'm taking note of that. Anyway, I waited until gold went all the way up to its. There was a 5 minute level somewhere up here that I'd put in there, and I waited for it to go all the way up into that and pull back. And then when I saw it pulling back, I thought, okay, it blew through the 8 and the VWAP, and now it's headed for the 20 and the 200. And I figured that would be a really good spot, especially since it was a consolidation zone over here also. So I did buy it right here at 76.04, right about here, and I rode it all the way up to 78.88 up here. And I only risked $100 on it because it was moving pretty fast, and it was pretty volatile, and I really didn't want to risk any more than 100 bucks. So I got a 2.5R out of that one for 250 bucks. At the time that happened, I thought, if it ever makes it back down to this level again, I'm interested, because a lot of times I've seen this pattern where the 200 is a very strong support, and it'll bounce a couple times off the 200 after it blows through it. So I was watching carefully, and sure enough, it was coming right back to it. I bought it again, and this time I also risked $100 and went up about 1.7R, and I sold it right up here. So basically, those are my 4 trades for the day. I made about $550 off those 4 trades, and which is basically just about what I want to make a day, about 2R, because I'm trying to hit this level in a kind of a easy fashion, easygoing fashion. I don't want to hit it too quick. I don't want to hit it too slow. Right now, I've got another roughly $4,500 to go to phase 1 here, and actually $5,000 left to go, and I have 14 days to do it. So if I look at 14 days divided by 2R a day, which is 500. Yeah, I think I can do it in about, yeah, I think that's about right. About 14, that's about 7,000. So I probably won't get 2R every day. So if I did get 2R every day, that'd be 7,000 bucks. But if I got about an hour and a half a day, about 375 times 14, is that about right? About $375 a day times 14 days. Yeah, that's $5,000. So that would do it. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm halfway through the days, and I'm about 5,000 left to go. 60% down, 40% left to go. And as you can see, the equity curve is pretty smooth. It's a smooth, steady equity curve right now, and feel like that's the way I'm trading. It's just smooth and steady. Just trying to take a few trades before the New York Open, and buying interested these days or today especially in buying support levels, fib levels on value areas, and other major support areas like the 200, the 20, etc. Especially when they interlap, they cross over each other and interface with each other. So yeah, that's it. Let's talk Friday. Hopefully, it will be nice. Okay, take care.